Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your environment, back up the current Roblox folder and settings so you can revert. Next, obtain a verified 2016 UI package or plugin. This supplies the visual assets and scripts you need. Once downloaded, enable developer mode in Studio and create a restore point. This prevents data loss. Now, install the package into a test place rather than your live game. This lets you iterate safely without breaking production. You now integrate the 2016 assets into a test place. First, import GUI elements and leave originals untouched so you can compare changes. Then, connect the UI scripts to core GUI or a controlled screen GUI. This keeps scope limited and reduces conflicts. As you attach events, make sure to refactor any deprecated API calls, replace removed functions with current equivalents. Finally, adjust anchors, scale rules, and responsive constraints so the UI fits 16, 9, and other aspects. You finish by thoroughly testing interactions, clicks, input focus, mobile gestures, and keyboard shortcuts. Make sure animations and transitions are smooth and profile performance for memory or CPU spikes. If you see jank, optimize images with 9-slice scaling and consolidate frequent loops. Once done, publish to a staging place and run user tests. If something fails, revert to your backup, isolate the offending script or asset, then reapply.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.